do you study English?
I study English because I want to know about something new.
Very good, very good.
Okay. What do you expect from this class?
I expect to improve my English communication skills.
Communication skills. Okay, don't forget that S.
Good, 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 good. Okay.
In
keep
which
going.
areas of English do you want to work on or improve the most, and why?
I want to improve my English speaking skills the most because I cannot speak English very well.
Yeah.
I would be,
Ah,
I would be most.
she's doing better and better. Okay, keep going.
How do you usually start your day?
Start my day with the following
Activities. Okay. First,
First, I usually get up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
very good.
I take a shower and that for about 10 minutes. I have breakfast for about
Breakfast.
for about 10 minutes. I leave for school at 7 o'clock.
I leave home for school.
I leave home for school at 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Finally, I arrive at
Arrive.
I arrive.
at school at 7:30 in the morning.
Very good. Very good.
Okay.
Very good.
What is the main challenge you face at school?
The main challenge
The main challenge.
I face at school.
I face-
at school.
Very good.
is
School. Good.
that many subjects are more difficult than previously
Uh-huh.
at present.
Which one? At present. ปัจจุบัน at present.
At present, I am studying at a higher level.
Mm-hmm.
I find it difficult for me to understand any new concept or idea.
Ideas. Very good. Keep going.
Understand? Yeah. Okay. Understand. Which subject do you think you are best at, and why?
I think I am better at language than other subjects because I can understand Lao easy. Lao language is not complicated because it is my
Mother.
mother
Tongue.
Oh,
Good. Very good.
My mother tongue.
Okay, good.
And lastly, which subject do you think is the most difficult for you, and why?
I think Chinese
Chinese
language
language.
is the most difficult subject for me because there are more than
More than.
More than.
More than.
80,000
80,000
Chinese
characters.
characters and they are complicated.
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 Very good.
I find it difficult for me to memorize,
Memorize.
To memorize.
read and write.
Right.
Right.
Chinese
Characters. Good. And
words.
words. Okay.
Okay, well done. Good job.